I had a request by one of my viewers, Mark Carlton. This one's for you, Mark. I'm getting my V1S Astra out for a drive. Built as a shelf queen from the outset, it was never really intended to hit the road in anger, and it wouldn't start at first. This is because the glow plug wasn't heating. So I took the glow plug out just quickly to see why it wasn't heating, and I soon discovered that the plug heater wasn't actually fully charged. So to make the most of my day out, I decided to give the glow plug heater a bit of a jolt from one of the batteries out of my bump starter. This is probably not recommended, but it was effective, and I was able to get my glow plug heating and get the engine running. And how I did this, I just put a little screwdriver into the negative terminal and a little screw into the positive terminal of my battery, and for just a few seconds I pumped 7.2 volts straight into that single cell of the glow plug heater, and that was enough to juice it up enough to get the glow plug heating. When I confirmed it was heating, I chucked the glow plug back in and got my car on the road for some fun. So here it was worrying about putting my camera upright, and there was the car going off on its own. After a couple of donuts, the car started to have a steering issue, so I brought it in to which point it promptly stalled, which was quite okay because I spent the next few minutes just investigating the steering and trying to figure out what was wrong. And as it turned out, the left-hand dog bone had come out of the hub. After I popped it back in, I realised it was probably going to pop out again if I kept driving, so I decided to call it a day. I was really happy with my drive. The car was actually quite a lot faster than I expected it to be. I did intend to go easy on it, but as you can see, I got carried away and bumped it into a few things. Nitro cars are definitely difficult. They're not necessarily as fast as electric. They're still a lot of fun though, and I really enjoyed it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.